Ribbon. This is C# tutorial guide, and we're going to talk about your first C# program. Okay, so once you click into basic concepts, and then you go to your first C# program, we've already touched on all these things. Yeah, so basically, Visual Studio is an IDE. We touched on how to start a console application. We've also touched on, hold on, let me just see the questions. Okay, yeah, so it says, if you go to the first question, it says, what is the name of the IDE used to create C# program? And that would be Visual Studio, because that's what we're using. So we click next, and this touches more on methods and functions. As you can see, it says Visual Studio will automatically generate some code for your project, and we have namespace, and that's going to have our project, and in the brackets it's what's going to start the execution, and then you have your class program and your static void main, which you're going to have in order to run a console application. So what we're going to do is click next, and we're going to go to, okay, we're just going to read this out. It says every console application in C# should contain, is it an input output, is it a variable, or is it the main method? Alright, and it's the main method, because remember I said that if you go back to Visual Studio, every console application must have a method and have a main function, which is right here, static void main, and all of our code gets executed in these curly braces. So just go to back to Learn and click next, and it's really all the same thing. You can press Ctrl F5 to run the application, and that's pretty much it. Which type of application can use a text interface only? And is that Windows application, mobile application, console application? It is console application. Okay. Okay, so that was pretty easy.